We have to take a bath. Come on. She's biting. What the fuck happened? What the hell? Oh, damn no. Shelang manito.
Manito, Chang Bazaar.
Shelang manito. So she.
Cats just don't like bathing and they would do literally anything to avoid getting into water.
Hindi ko isisima. Abi, kolis na dari ki.
Cat logic. Who needs to bath fully when you can just wash your paws? Plus, it's a fun way to play as well. They love watching water unless they are in it. Oh, the pain. God, it's hard to be a cat.
Is he not wanting a shower? Chupa! Kitty!
Not just bathing them is hard, getting them into the bathtub is also very challenging. Poor cat had to go through a bath, but he was definitely loving those head scratches for a minute.
Ready? Come on. Come on. We have to take a bath. Come on. Don't start telling your mom not to give you a bath. Come on. She's not gonna save you.
His first car wash. It's smart to start bathing them when they are young.
İlk hepinde bizim hepsi.
Those facial expressions looks like someone's making a master plan to take revenge. Yes, singing while bathing makes bath less stressful and more fun. Smart kitty.
It's not that serious. You're just getting a bath. You're crazy.
Cats really do love water, but from a distance. Alright, that's it for today's video. Do you have a cat too who hates bath? Let me know in the comments down below. And do subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this.